Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save notes with Bear, full guide step by step clearly. To save notes with Bear, first, open the Bear app on your device. Once the app is open, you will see the main screen displaying your notes. To create a new note, tap on the pencil icon located in the top right corner. This action opens a blank note for you to start writing. Begin typing your note in the empty text area. Bear allows you to format your text easily. Highlight the text you wish to format. A formatting menu will appear above the highlighted text. You can choose from options like bold, italic, or headings. If you want to add tags to your note, type a hashtag followed by your tag keyword. Tags help you organize your notes for easier retrieval later. To add a checklist, begin a line with a dash followed by a space. This creates a task that you can check off when completed. Once you are done writing, tap on the back arrow in the upper left corner. This saves your note automatically. To view your saved notes, return to the main screen. You will now see your note listed among your other notes. To edit a note, simply tap on it. Make any necessary changes and then tap the back arrow again to save. If you want to delete a note, swipe left on the note title. This reveals a trash icon. Tap the trash icon to delete the note. Bear also offers a sync feature for cross-device access. Make sure you are logged into your Bear account to enable this feature. Now, you can access your notes from any device where Bear is installed. With these steps, you can effectively save and manage your notes with Bear. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.